Hello. Good evening. Good afternoon. How are y'all doing? Cthulhu. What is up? Sorrow. The pacifist. And Ani. Thank you for the hydrate. I was debating whether or not to stream today. And because I need to shoot some footage for a trailer. I've tried to shoot it on stream before. It just doesn't work. But maybe I don't shoot new footage. I don't know. I'm just not ready to shoot a new trailer yet, so I can't bring myself to do it. So I'm gonna keep working on this UI that I started yesterday, and that'll keep me busy. He shot a trailer. Yo, Val. Val. Thank you for the empty sub. You know, someone got mad at me. Someone got mad at me for using that empty space emote. Really appreciate it. Continued support 7 months. Wow. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Please give me the deets. I used it on Science Streams in Science Streams channel, and he was like, "You're trying to punk me? You know, I don't know if this is loading or not, and everything's all aligned weird." I'm like, "Yeah, it's cool." He was not having it. I don't know if he was. I mean, he's always like half serious, half kidding, but I don't know if he appreciated being confused for a second. It was pretty funny. I love using it with the gigantic emotes. Have I done that yet? I think I did it once. Yo, Turgus! Sleeping. The 5-stream sleep streak. I gotta wake up. I'm actually kind of glad it's Friday. I'm exhausted. This is the hardest. This week is just worked so hard. Day job, and this was like epic levels of busyness, and I'm beat. I'm beat when Friday comes. I remember this from before. Every Friday I'd feel this overwhelming like exhaustion, and I didn't get this exhaustion when I wasn't working. So that's kind of what I paid for. That is the reason why I stopped getting paid, is so I wouldn't feel exhausted when Friday came. Lampfrost, welcome in. I'm only sleeping stream next. Is that a thing? Is there a category called like sleeping? And it's just you sleeping and everyone else is supposed to sleep with you? Like co-sleeping, co-streaming, co-sleeping, co-working? The wording of this is terrible. I'm gonna stop. Are you feeling better in general now? You mean like compared to Wednesday when I threw a tantrum about Duolingo and how hard Japanese was? I'm doing much better than that. Chapel, what is up? That's really a thing? Get out of here. I'm only sleeping is a game. People use it as a genuine sleeping category now. Some actually made it into a charity stream with just them sleep with. Wow, what? I was not going to mention Wednesday. I don't want to get yelled at. I'm doing much better. Much better. That was just epic levels of frustration. I'll just keep going with this UI. It'll function, and then that's one of the nice things about UI is like It either works or it doesn't. It's gonna work. Where did I leave off? I think I left off making the buttons. Activity display. It's just the icon, right? So I need a script here. Called I feel like I have so many of these. Whatever. Make a new one. New script that does the same exact thing. What is it even called? Nah, whatever. I'm going to make a new one. It's going to be called the activity type display. There we go. Twitch allows you to sleep on stream, but you are still responsible for everything that happens during the stream, including chat's behavior. That is bizarre. Very, very bizarre. A friend recommended you. You are working on a very calm game. Nice. Yeah. Was it Dova? Dova came in yesterday and just dragged in 4 of their friends. It's Film Scotland. Oh, nice. Hello. Something san. What's that kanji? Foil, how are you? Konnichiwa. Yokoso. Yokoso. Twitch. Hey. Can I do that? I can. Everyone. Minasan. Minasan yokoso. Foil. Did you Google that? I did not. Wow. Public activity. 3 stream streak foul. The rebuilding. You had a great streak at once. Thank you for the streak. I hope everybody here is already following Fallon here. I will be ashamed if you are not. Oh, you know what I want? I want the activity type info. Actually, what do I need here? Just the type. Because the dictionary has all the info. And then I need a public image icon. And then a public void set display. It needs to take an activity type. Activity type equals type. Icon equals activity type dot icon. Okay. Excuse you. That's what I thought. Then I got a nighttime job and lost it all. How's the job doing? How was the big new job? I'm hesitant to call it a promotion because I don't know if it is. But how is the shift in responsibilities? I enjoy it so much. That's awesome. Virtue, what is up? It's actually great. That's awesome. It's really hard to get a job you like. I don't know what the statistics are. I'm gonna pull this completely out of my own butt. But I would say that what 80%, 80 to 90% of people do not like their job. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that as a general feeling. Trying to stay warm, yeah, I hear you. I turned the heat on just now. I don't want to get to the point again where I'm complaining about the cold. I'm just gonna circumvent that by having the heat on. What is the origin of Booyah Grandma as a username? Someone do the thing. No, wrong thing. It's a Crash Team Racing commercial. It was the original Crash Team Racing commercial. Dova, welcome back. Nice to see you on again. Got to sadly lock it in today since we are an employee short, but you motivated me to drink more water. Nice, Dova. Thanks for saying hi. Crash Team Racing. Do I adore Crash Team Racing? Honestly, no. It's fine. It was a part of my childhood. I wouldn't say that I loved it. I loved the commercial though, and I loved Crash Bandicoot. It was, I don't know. I was also super young. I've had this username since that commercial came out. Like that was like 25 years ago, right? Something like that. I love the PlayStation at the end. I don't know why it's not doing the whole thing. I thought I clipped it right. It just hits it hits just right. Well, it's a vibe. And to this day, you have your childhood there as your username. Sometimes I've been reintroducing it for a long time. I went away from Booyah Grandma. Ever since when I stopped using, AIM, uh, I went a long period of time where I had other kinds of usernames, or I didn't even frequent the internet that much that required usernames. And then I don't know when it happened, but I needed a persona, and I think I just went back to it. AIM. Yeah. Hell, I used AOL Instant Messenger before AIM was a thing. I was right there. Ever use IRC? Yeah, I did. Yahoo Messenger? I never used Yahoo Messenger. So this is what I'm working toward. There is a bird outside my window absolutely screaming its head off for so long. I don't understand. Activities. Scroll. This is what I'm looking for. All right. So what I need to do is I need to now use this, and this needs to be an activity type panel. Nope. Display. Hair.key. Whoops. Okay. Cool. Well, hello there, fellow from the generation of dial-up internet. Yeah, that was me. Welcome in. Grandpa, why is the internet screaming? Exactly. Oof. These crackles are horrible. I forgot to restart my computer. They're going to happen all stream. I'm very sorry. Did anyone ever use Jabber? That way you can talk on AIM and Yahoo IM at the same time. No. I had one called Digsby. It's pretty much the same thing. I would use it to chat on Google, like Google Chat, and AIM at the same time. Digsby. It won't even. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is. And then you can sort. You can sort lists. Yeah. I still remember the first day I got access to the internet back in '95. The dial-up modem noise is something I won't forget. No, you can never forget that. All right, I don't have any activities, but once I spawn this in, I'll have beds, and the beds are activities. So now, look at that. We got a bed. That's great. Let's see. What else do I want to do? I want to make this description panel now. Okay. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Room description panel, activities panel. Let's unhide this and break the prefab. I don't need a prefab anymore. Unpack. And no selection background. Okay, sure. Room description panel. So I'm going to make a new one called activity type description panel. And I'm kind of just going to copy and paste this code, but not really. Memories of siblings picking up the phone and getting you killed in RuneScape. I don't remember issues like that. What kind of online games did I play? I didn't start playing online games until my brother kind of moved out of the house. And then my parents worked odd hours, so I didn't have too many issues. Like when I was able to go online, it wasn't like a tumultuous experience. Is that the right word I'm looking for? Kinda. So what are the things I need? I should design it before I make this. I need to design it first. So what do I need and what don't I need? There's like a 2-tier box thing going on. I don't really need that. There's a star system. I don't need that. Let's just start getting rid of stuff. I don't need that. There's a type text, which is okay. And then the room name. So now this is the activity type. I don't need a type text. This is the type. So maybe I could make this bigger. And how is this? This is just bolted to the corner. Kind of just want to bolt this to it. Whatever. Let's do this. Do a little bit of this, a little bit of this. No, we'll go back. Okay. And so what did I say I needed? What did I say I needed? Photoshop. Just the rooms that they're in. And if they're not in a room, maybe they'll just go up here. I don't know. My brother and I fought over the internet like rabid beasts. The only thing we fought over more was our weekly haul from the library. I had a brother. I have a brother, but he's 6 years older than me. So our childhoods, they didn't like overlap. He was just in another generation doing his own thing. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I have to do that. So I need a scroll view. That's what I need. I need one big one and a scroll view. I can get rid of yeah, let me pare it back as much as possible. I'm like trying to think, oh, what can I put here? No, just get rid of it. And if I need more information later, I'll put it in. So occupants text, I don't need that. Stats text, I don't need that. Stats group, I don't need that. And then I can, I mean, I don't need info. Why do I have the word info here? It'll be very self-explanatory. Well, and why do I have a double group here? What is this? A mask. So what I need is actually, I need a scroll view. Let's get rid of this. This is the info scroll. Let's just get rid of everything. No, this is the background. Background. Yeah. Okay. So I want to put a scroll view in here. UI scroll view. And actually, let's just duplicate one we already have. Scroll view. $20. $20. $25. Okay. And then in here, how does it look? I need two things. I need a room. Ooh, what just happened? Oh, what? Don't do that. Background. Why did you snap to basically nothing? Because of this. I don't need this. This thing can just be whatever height I need it to be now. I want to give a shout out to Whitechapel, who I just saw in here. Shout out to JB. If anyone's interested in pixel art, make sure definitely give the Whitechapel a follow. Check them out. Master. He is such a Whitechapel. Yeah. Is that a thing? What is the Whitechapel? What does that mean? What does it mean? What up, Emil? We are so back. Welcome, so back. It's also a name from his youth. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about the origins of his name. All right, so in here, I need not a grid layout. Move. I need a vertical layout. And let's just add some text. Text. So this is like room text. Guest room. And then this I need to be centered. And then there's going to be and then I need a group of an image and a text. I literally just did that with the requirements, right? With the activity requirement. Activity type. I just did that. What did I call it though? It'll be in here. What does this even mean? Chapel, well, I was wondering where your name comes from. It's a district within East London. Was super lurking, but now I'm getting called out for for who knows how long. We were talking about you for maybe an hour and a half. It's from Jack the Ripper. Okay. I'm noticing a trend. It's a goth-leaning persuasion. It's Jack's alternate names. Oh, dang. That's intense. Where are my UI prefabs? All right, where did I just make it? I made it in the guest group menu. Guest group display. Oh, that's right. It's just a template. Guest group menu. Where did I put this thing? Why do I feel so stupid? Guest group description panel. Oh, that's right. I didn't. I just made 4. All right, so I need to prefab this thing. I'm going to steal one, put it here. Okay. Okay, there we go. Don't force expand. So this is now an item. This is an item. And I don't want it to actually be middle center. I want it to be middle left. And I want it to have 10 pixels. Okay. And it would be like this, role-playing table. So it would be like this. Well, maybe it can be centered. So this needs to be prefabbed, definitely. Item display, like simple item display. Just throw it in here. And so it'll look something like this, right? When there's a bunch of items, it'll just look like this. And then the first thing should be like no room text. Not in a room. Is this confusing? What is a better way to do this? There's a second part. There's a second part to name that name. Wait, what? But not only is it not TOS, but it never fits when Doing usernames. So there's a second part to your name that is not friendly. The Whitechapel Sexy Edition is too many characters. Got him. Chat, we got him. Yeah, we got him good. We won't be seeing him around here any longer. We got him too good. Do I even want this image? Like, it's background. Not you. You. Do I even want that? Yeah, it's better. Maybe I just don't have the scroll view background. Yeah, that's actually way better. Okay. It's red rum backwards. Oh, I see. Sure, Twitch won't allow it. I mean, I've seen Twitch allow some messed up stuff. We held hands. I was at your wedding. Don't you remember? It was magical. Y'all were gorgeous. Dressed in red. Okay. It's very simple. As simple as this. Uh, so not in a room. What are these? 28. What if this was middle? What if this was center? Nah, I don't like it. I think it's actually because of this. Yeah, that's why. No, I still hate it. Okay. And then maybe these need to be prefabbed also. And this I also want justified, but I just want like a little margin. Yeah. So let's just call this room text. This can go, this can go. Not in a room. Should this say like in? No. Why? Okay, there's an annoying line height issue here. What's up with that? Sup with that? Sup? Sup? Oh, that's why. Oh, actually, yeah. What if I do this? And then this needs to always be like 60 tall. Separate the rooms a little. Let them breathe. Revert. Nah. 60. That's good. Okay, cool. So now they're a little better. This doesn't need to be so padded anymore. All right. I think I'm going to hook it up now. So I need access to the container. I need 2 prefab things. I need this text, and then this icon. Got it. Got it. Public image icon. Public TMP text. Title. Public game object. This is the item display prefab. Public game object. This is the room name prefab. And I need one more. Yo, Beegs. Beegs. What is up? Your fish is showing again? What is this? What is this? Can you explain yourself? What does this emote mean? What's the backstory behind it? Public void set description set panel. And it takes in activity info activity type info. I can't remember. It predates me streaming. Wait a minute. What do you mean? You have an emote that is very authoritarian. What is the word I'm looking for? Like it's authoritative, and it represents a feeling, like, but you don't remember why. Yeah, how do you not remember? You don't make an emote like that for no reason. There's always a reason. And I think I need a list of these. List. No, don't do that. Actually, no, that's cool. That's cool. Nope, don't do that. Nope, don't do that. So, yeah, I need a list of these. I think it's from a one-off YouTube live stream I did a few years ago where everyone started talking about fish, so someone made a no fish emote in the Discord. Okay. Sounds right. infos. And then I need, does this have the type itself? No. So I need the activity type. Title dot text equals activity type dot display name title icon dot sprite equals activity type dot icon, and then for each activity type info in infos. Ooh, wait. So I need to know what room these are in also. I need to know what room these are in. Add activity. How do I get what room they're in? Does the decoration know? Parent activity dot parent decoration dot room? Yes, it does. Then actually I don't need to store it because it already exists. Oh, but I need a dictionary of rooms. Right? Yeah. Dictionary. Can a key be null? Like if I say dictionary room and then the value is whatever. If one of these doesn't have a room associated, it's null, but can the key be null and all the null things be under that key? Does anybody know? Dictionary. Can a dictionary key be null? A key cannot be null, but a value can be. Okay. What I can do is I can make the key the room name, and then I can have an empty string as the key. All right, I'll do that. And then the info. Room sort. So at first I need to cycle through all of these and sort them. So if info dot op, oh, wait. Yo, chill. So I have this game object here. I need to know more. I need the decoration. Interactable. Do I have access to that? Do I grab it? Parent decoration. Oh, I do. I need to pass along the activity. I don't need this. All right. Room description. All right, there we go. Keys, I'm fairly sure you can't. Yeah. You can do key null. Wait. Are you saying you can't? You think you can do it? Well, the string thing will work. The string thing will work. So if activity dot parent decoration dot room dot name room name this is something. String is null or empty. So if it's null or empty, I want to say, oh, but this needs to be a list. This needs to be a list of inventory items. Using in more mountains.inventory engine. Okay. Okay. So if the room is null or empty, then I want to add a key. Public void add key. Then I want to add the if dict dot contains key then dict dot add. This is a terrible name for a variable. I'm going to repeat it over and over. Mr. Hermit, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you? Elevation. What are we at? If it doesn't contain the key, I need to say dict dot key equals new list of inventory items. And then do that. Very chill. Nice, nice. Let's keep that feeling going. So add key to dictionary. The dictionary is room sorted. The key is just empty, right? Foil, thank you for the hydrate. MK Manish, thank you for the follow. Welcome, and how are you doing? For those that don't know what I'm doing, all new follows add altitude to the main town in game. And then the item is info.activity.parent.item. If the item doesn't exist, then it's tricky. Tricky. I'm going to wait for that scenario to happen and throw an error, and then I'll fix it then. I'm working on a game jam project with someone at the moment, and quite early on, I went through all the scripts and aliased sprite renderer to sprite reindeer. They haven't noticed yet. It's ridiculous beings. And wonderful. Pumpkinhead, how's it going? Good morning. If add key to dictionary, room sorted. String room name equals this. If room name is null or empty, otherwise make room name the key, and then plug in this item. Okay. If he hasn't said anything, that would be bizarre. How do you not say anything? They must not have noticed, and they're just using autocorrect. Mr. Hermit, I don't know if I answered your original question of how I'm doing, but doing great. Thank you. Okay, so now I have a dictionary of all of the rooms, and they're sorted into rooms. So now I want to make sure that I need to order. Can you reorder a dictionary? Does that make sense? Can you like sort a dictionary? Maybe I need to make it a class. Maybe I need to make it a class instead of a dictionary. Probably something in link. Can you order a dictionary in C#? In C#, you can sort a dictionary by using the order by method. We're sorting a dictionary. So now we want to sort it. Room sorted equals room sorted dot ordered using system.link ordered by order by x dot key. Whoa. As list to list. No, it's to dictionary. No, to dictionary. What? You got to tell it what kind? No overload method for to dictionary. Takes 0 arguments. What? What do you need? What do you want from me? Quick actions and refactorings. What does it want? I forget. I literally just did this here, I think. Where did I do it? I did an order by somewhere. What is this? What is this? From entry in stats, order by entry value descending. This is another way to do link, isn't it? That's so confusing. Sort by distance to array. This is just... Do I just need to declare what kind of dictionary it's turning into? Is that it? String and then a list of inventory items. What is happening? Sorting a dictionary makes my brain hurt. Yeah, I'm not... ChatGPT. How do you use link and sort a dictionary in C#? Let's just change the subject on you. All right. Come on. This doesn't even... This doesn't even do this. But then, yeah, then it, like if this was var whatever, it's an ordered it's an ordered enumerable. It turns it into an ordered enumerable and not a dictionary anymore. I guess I don't care. Wait. I ordered enumerable. I ordered enumerable. Oh, but you can't just say that because... I don't understand. We're just going to stick with var. I hate var. I hate it so much. All right. At least they're sorted now. So now, for each key value pair, string, lists, pair in, ooms. So now pair dot. Okay, here we go. Ready? So the first iteration of this loop, I need to room name. Oh yeah, and I also need the container. Public transform scroll container. So room.prefab dot instantiate. No. Instantiate. Room name prefab. Transform parent. Scroll container. Confused. Welcome in. Try something like sorted dictionary to dictionary, key value, blah, blah, blah. Something. Pair, key value, pair. What? That is even more confusing than using var. What is this? So like room sorted. And then it's string list. So you have string int. Like this? No, you can't do that. You have to declare it first? Or, oh, you're just saying to do it to rooms. Does that work? Also, this is all grayed out like it's redundant. Right? Like it doesn't care? To dictionary. You need to assign this to something else. Isn't this just making a dictionary? Because it already is a dictionary. I'm just trying to sort the dictionary. Like I want it sorted by in alphabetical order. I don't think this does the sorting. This just makes it. I think this order by thing is going to work. I just don't like var because it's displeasing to me. Text. Can I say no? I have to say text.get component dot. It's TMP text. Text equals pair.key. And then for each inventory item in pair dot value. And I need a game object. Item equals item display instantiate room prefab. No. Item display prefab. Put it in the container. And then I need to get its thing. Item display. Item panel. Description panel. I'm going to put an item description panel on it. And I'm going to say panel item display dot get component item description panel dot set description panel with item. That should do it. Have you tried using Cursor AI? No, I have not. Caden, also welcome in. How are you? I also don't like var. I get into arguments with chat about it almost daily. It's just lazy. And not in like the person who's using it is lazy. It's like lazy coding, and that's a style, and some people are fine with that, but I don't like lazy coding. I like it to be super freaking readable, and var is not readable. var says, I don't care what this is. And I guess in the grand scheme of things, I don't. I just want it to work. But when I'm looking at this, I want to know what it is. It's easier to read when it says dictionary string inventory item, and it's saying var is just confusing. I also need a public list game object item displays public list game object room name displays. I need to do a little pooling action. So when I make a new one, I'm just gonna take this code from this thing. I already have a simple pool. Where is it? Get display. And then game object. Prefab. And then transform. Scroll. Okay. Okay. So this will allow me to do some simple pooling instead of just instantiating here. Oh, I need to return. Oh, I do return the game object. Okay. Okay. And I need to, when I set this panel, I also want to I want to hide them all. Reset. For each game objects. Reset displays. I'm using it right now, insanely useful, but I feel like if I'm not careful, I'll lose what little knowledge of coding I already have. Yeah, be careful. Careful with AI, it makes you dumb. All right. So close. So close. This is almost done. The only thing I didn't do yet is add this item description panel to the thing. I got to tell you a story from last night. It's not a good story. It's a very boring story, but it made me feel horrible. Like, so I finished the stream pretty late, and for anyone that was around, it was like 8:30. I'm like, oh crap, I didn't eat dinner yet, so I gotta go eat dinner. But I wasn't hungry yet. I hung around in the stream that we raided, Red Squirrel Games, and that was cool. It's nice meeting new people. And I finally went to get dinner, and I walked out of the house at like 9. And I'm like, maybe I'll do something fun. So I just wandered the streets looking for a restaurant, looking for somewhere to eat that was interesting. And I ended up walking around for an hour, and it's like 10 o'clock now. I'm like, okay, it's 10 o'clock. I gotta eat because I'm getting tired. And now I'm like starving. So I did something I very, very rarely do. I've never done this yet, which is I got Wendy's. I got fast food, and that made me so sick. I never get heartburn, but I woke up with a heartburn. It was horrible. Wendy's is so good, though. It was good. That's the problem. You want to hear a funny thing? Wendy's in Tokyo has two things on their menu that totally shocked me. The first thing is they have pasta. Wendy's in Tokyo has pasta. That was not a thing in the US. Like, there were salads, but not pasta. I just got like the Baconator. And oh, and then I also got another thing that was on the menu that was weird. They had fried chicken, but not like chicken strips or chicken nuggets. It was straight up a fried drumstick, which that is not a Wendy's thing, but they had that, and I got that too. I kind of went crazy. I was getting ravenous at 10 p.m. Not going to make that mistake again today. All right, so this thing does not need anything special, but this thing needs an item description panel. And I'm going to apply it to the prefab. Go into the prefab. We're going to set the item transaction. Where's the item image? There's the transaction type icon and the activity type image. Where do I put the item image? Oh, that's so weird. The item icon is always represented by the button, so this never needed that. No, that can't be. What is on my freaking cursor? What is on my cursor? It's a marker of floating image, floating description panel. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, it doesn't show the icon. Why would it show the icon? It's literally a thumbnail, or it's a tooltip for the icon. That's so funny. Okay, whatever. I can just add that. It's not a big deal. Public image, item, icon image. And it's probably going to be null most of the time. Set image. Set it with the item.icon. So set image, if it's null, yeah, just return. If sprite, yeah, if either of these are null, we return. If this is null, we return. If this is null, we turn it off, and then we say false. Okay, that's the smartest thing I've ever done. It is the most wonderful. No, I won't sing. Do not make me sing. Also, what happened to this music? Where did we go? Let's go here. Singing on stream? Yeah, what am I, JB? I can't take that from him. It's his thing. Item name. There we go. Called out again. It's not a bad thing. You're just 100% known for that now. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to start setting this stuff. So the icon, name, scroll container, select the simple item display, the room text display, and done. Raise your hand if you think this is going to work. First time. First time. Any takers? The one thing I didn't do was this not in a room thing. It's not going to happen. Look at those hands. Everyone's got hands. All right, let's do it. Oh, you almost got me. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. So here I need the description panel. Activity type description panel. And set panel with the current button, get component. What does it want? It wants the activity type and the list of infos. All right. That means so I'm passing in display dot activity type and display dot oh yeah. This dictionary, it's no. It's this and then the dictionary display dot activity type. Okay. We good? We cool? That was a doozy. It's not going to work. It's not, something's going to. This one was very complicated. A lot of dependencies. I don't feel confident I'm going to get it on the first try. But who knows? Let's do it. Just need to set this. All right. Hit and play. I'm hitting play. Here we go. Oh. Excuse me. Let's make an in so we have something to see. And then I'm going to make a couple of other decorations just for giggles. Let's make a hot tub. Make a few hot tubs. All right. Ready? Boom. Damn it. Damn it. What's wrong? First of all, these are not going the correct way. Oh, because I think it's going up, down first. Panel. Scroll view content. It starts start axis horizontal. Yeah? What's up with that? Sup? Sup? If I have two, yeah, that's not right. I want it to start up here. Child alignment, upper left. 40, 40. And then start axis vertical? No. I want it to go to the right. Fixed column count? Oh, fixed column count. That was the problem. There we go. Okay. So that is fixed, but this is the bigger problem. And what's happening? If roomed, okay, so it looks like it doesn't have a room. That's why. If info.activity.parent decoration dot room equals null. Otherwise, else, do this. Duh. Mr. Marion, good morning. Also, bad manners. I think I missed your message earlier. Good morning to you as well. Okay, it didn't work first try. Whoops. Booyah, please choose one. Land creature, sky creature, or water creature. Oh my god, that's so hard. So hard. I'm gonna go air creature. Sky creature, sky creature. Sky creature it is. What does that mean? Debug build in. Okay. Let's get some bathtubs. Given bulk. I'll put one in the room. Damn it. Damn it. One out of the room. Pangara Plays. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. How are you doing? Okay, so there's 2 bathtubs in these rooms. There's one outside of a room. Are you ready? Boom. It didn't work. So this kind of worked. Look. Oh, all these guest rooms have the same name. Damn it. The key can't be the name of the room. The key has to be the room object. And this is, so the reason, yeah, okay. Turning cog, how the hell are you? Can we steal cars yet in Alpine Lake? No, there's no cars. Cars don't exist in this world. It's a cozy world where there's only trains. The GTA DLC is gonna rock your socks. No. All right. So it can't be string. It has to be room. It has to be room. I'm going to... I just have to account for the ones that are null. So now I just need a list of inventory item. These are roomless. New list, inventory item. These are roomless. So this needs to take in a room. This needs to take in a room. And the key is now a room. And dot room name. Hey. Room name. And instead of doing this if there's no associated room, we say room roomless.add roomless.add info.activity.parent decoration.item. Okay. And room name is now just room. And still good. Still good. Still good. Okay. I don't need to sort. The funny thing is now I don't need to sort these because I can just always, I can always do these first for each list, for each inventory item in roomless. Started playing Zomboid with a few of the other Unreal devs. What is Zomboid? Finn, what is up? And then I want to do this. Okay. Okay. Did it. So the roomless ones will be out here. And I just want to make, oh, okay. And then I need to make one that is just no room. Or not in a room. Roomless. No. Roomless text. There we go. Okay. It's like Story of Seasons, so obviously you haven't played it. Teehee. Is that game where it's like a giant neighborhood and it's like a survival game where there's crafting and zombies? Project Zomboid. Is it that? Ouch, dude. Why ouch? Because I said teehee? Will this make you feel better? If I insist everyone follow you because you're a smart human being, a wonderful streamer, and making a very high quality video game experience, would that make you feel better and stop crying? It turns out that Exo and Stevie are super into it and we have a server. Very nice. It'll go some of the ways, yes. Exo's not an Unreal dev, though. Exo Godot. Stevie had to show me how to play today. Honorary Unreal dev. Is Stevie an Unreal dev? We just followed each other. Like 1 day ago. Okay, ready. Not in a room. Look at that. So it's overflowing because there's too many, which is fine. And none of them are not in a room. So I don't have to have this text if it's not in a room. So we'll do that. If roomlist.count is greater than 0, and I don't know if I know Stevie. Stevie Ray Drawn. There they are. So now why aren't the bathtubs showing up? A. Ah, chill, speakers. So the Steam hasn't updated their wishlist database in a couple of days, and I got the sweats. Like it for 2 days, it just says nothing, no updates. It's driving me crazy. I need to know. I'm gonna catch some sleep while I can find a cool base, or so I can find a cool base. You mean while you're playing Zomboid right now? You're watching this stream and playing Zomboid at the same exact time? How do you do it? How do you do it? She's fun and doing fun stuff. Yeah, I haven't seen her yet. I'll check her out when I can. Does she stream like US time? Am I gonna ever know? Going to sleep. All right, Cog. Have a good night. Thanks for saying hi. On at the same time as me in the morning. Finishes after I start. Oh, well, you're on before I even wake up, so then I'll never catch her. Our morning. Yeah, but you're a little more morning than I am. She finishes after you start. Yeah, because I can barely show up when you start. I mean, yeah, maybe there's a chance where I can catch the tail end or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know, man. Yeah, it's not even adding the bathtub. Why isn't it adding the bathtub? Is it because the bathtub is not in a group that we're counting? In system. Activities. Bathtub, bathtub, bathtub. Private activities. Brrr. Sup with that? Look, I'm adding activities. Activity. Parent decoration equals... Oh, does parent decoration equal null or something? Yeah, wow. Parent decoration. Get activity name. I don't set parent decoration auto-magically. What does the matter with me? Awake. I hope there's not a reason why I did that. Okay, I should be able to catch her one day then. Speaking of going to sleep, I should aim to fall asleep in less than 17 minutes or less than 25 minutes, realistically, since someone is never on time. I don't know what you mean by that. You talking about Beegs? You are talking about beags. That was a good guess. This should work now. Does Beegs have streaks on his channel? I don't think so. No activities. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Build that in. Bathtub. Yay. Bathtub. 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 You get a bathtub. And you get a bathtub. And you get a bathtub. Boom. Whoa. Not in a room. Welcome desk. Doesn't get a name. Bathing. Bathtub. Not in a room. Okay, so the cool thing. So here is the whole thing. The whole reason this exists is a hot tub, right? So let's put a hot tub here. And now if I go into the activities, you can see hot tub shows up here. It says it's in a guest room. Why? Ah, crap. Why does it think it's in a guest room? What is the matter with you? What's wrong with you, hot tub? Why are you all, hey, I'm part of this room? Nope. It's not. It's not part of a room. It's my logic that's flawed. Oh, because I'm not reordering it. I gotta reorder it. I gotta reorder it. Does that mean... Is there a way to reorder children? It's gotta be, right? Hot tub stream, yeah. No streaks, but you still get the points for it. Really? Oh, that's cool. Excuse me. Yeah, we're doing a hot tub stream. We're doing it. So this thing, okay. What I need to do is I need to pop it to the top. Pop it to the top. Pop it to the top. After I get this thing, right? Scroll container. Oh, you know what I could do? I can just display.setParent display.transform.parent equals null, and then display.transform.parent equals parent. I'll just unparent it, reparent it. Boom. That'll do it, right? Right? Yeah, let's say that'll do it. A way to reorder children? What was wrong with the first batch? They just... Sometimes, you know, you want to rate your children by favorite to least favorite. And as the days pass and your children grow and change, As does the list. As does the order. I wouldn't know anything about that as someone without children. I'm making kid jokes. I don't even have kids. I don't have the right. All right, this is going to work now. So, build a hot tub and a bathtub. WireX, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. So now I go into activities and then not in a room. Where's the bathtub? I think this is working. Looks like it's always ordering it correctly. Oh, right. I'm an idiot. So this is activities centric. This is room centric. So here I have, this is the name of the item. I should put the item's icon here too. And I might as well italicize it. I should make this better. And I need icons for these. I need icons for these instead of saying comfort, style, and function. Fun, inspiring, and relaxing. You know, I have these color-coded things, but it's not great. Oh, two. We got two. Oh, it's horrible. Okay. That's it. We're done. Completed. So now what? No, I have to make it a scroll view. You need to be able to select it and scroll up and down. What if I had an auto scroller that just like went to the bottom, stopped, went to the top, stopped? Like, is that stupid? I don't think it's stupid per se, but here's what I can do. I can make content in description panels. What? Content in description panels. What? Why is this selectable? No. Let's say no. When we spawn this scroll view, what I want is an additional navigation, which is activities scroll view to the right. And the button which is the activity type. Yo, Atrum! I'm winning, yeah. The activity display. I have a button that says overwrite return target with us. Yes. Atrum, I don't know if you'd be proud of me for this or if you'd think that I'm an idiot and I should just let Unity do its automagic navigation, but when I make these scroll views and I populate them with buttons, sometimes I want to get off of the scroll view and select something else. And sometimes I want to go back to the previously selected button. So I have a system that allows me to do that. You'd probably think I'm stupid. You always think I'm stupid. So I go to activities, right? And we got this. Okay, it didn't work. Why? Why? Oh, I think it's because there's no scroll view here. It's because it's hidden. What if there was a scroll view? What if I had more beds? Item. Let's just arbitrarily make it longer. Description, background. Nope. Activities panel. Wait. Where's the description panel? Background. Background. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So if I just add a bunch more, it's not updating. That's strange. Is it because it doesn't know if it's changing? I think it just doesn't know it's changing. But yeah, I'm working on a website right now, and I can't for the life of me find a color palette I'm satisfied. That's very hard to do. The best thing you can do is go to a website that you like and trust and respect. Start there. Go to a website that you think is wonderful looking and learn from them. Yeah, or Mr. Zombie, what is up? I think I need to tell the scroll view that, hey, it's updated and good now. Because after I populate here, set. After I populate here, I say set navigation, yeah. Do I don't update the I don't update the scroll view to know. Why doesn't it know? All right, maybe I'm not winning. I thought I was winning. This scroll rect is not updating. Vertical, yeah. Clamped, yeah. Visibility permanent. Auto hide, yeah. Yeah. It's all good. What's the deal? Why won't you update? Scroll. I get the contents, sure. Oh, thank you for the hydrate. It looks like it should do it automatically, but it doesn't. Oof. All right, what if I just make a bunch more beds? I'll do it the natural way. Oops, don't click that button twice. All right, that should overflow, right? I go to the menu, and it's not even adding them to the list. What? Wait a minute. Why not? Because they're not in the inn. They're not part of the inn system. Yeah. Beds don't work outside the inn. All right. I'll just put the beds in the rooms. All right, that should overflow it now. Okay, it overflows it. Why isn't the scroll rect appearing? Or like, why isn't the scroll doing its thing? Do your thing, scroll. Is it not like selectable? Is that part of the problem? This is interactable. Mossy Grove Games. Do not use my website for reference. It's garbage. My website's hot garbage. Whoa. Didn't like that. It did not like me clicking these buttons. I know why. I never set I never set up some stuff to work properly. These tabs? No, these panels? Yeah. Wait, yes I did. No, friend log panel, that's why. Okay, this should be activities panel. Okay. robotsmakegames.com. You're telling me you have a website. Ah. What? Do not use this color palette or this one. Or that one. Does it animate randomly? Or when I move the mouse? I can't tell. Oh, when you move the mouse in the logo. It's kind of fun. We're going to the cat cafe in the morning? That's fun. You talking about this cat cafe? This super cat cafe? I forget, is it? Did they release a Mac version or no? I don't think so. Are you going to an actual cat cafe? Okay, yeah, I gotta play this. Or I gotta get. I don't even have the real one yet. How embarrassing. Where's the? There we go. Why did it show yen on that page and here it shows dollars? That's kind of funny. Wait. What is this? Support pack. Supporter pack. Oh, this is like pay more if you want. That's a good idea. That's a very good idea. So you're going to an actual cat cafe. This is going to dox your location. You sure you want to post that? You want me to delete that? Come find me. Listen, a lot of New Zealanders in this time of night. All right, so what's the problem? Yeah, why won't this freaking scroll show up? Movement type clamped. Yeah, that's right. Viewport, yeah. Yeah. Sha. But like, oh. Oh. Content size fitter. Horizontal is preferred. Damn it. It's because the content size isn't changing. Wait, it's got a vertical layout group. It should be changing. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make sense. I shifted my setup around now. Need a second monitor arm. You are building a rocket ship right now, as far as I'm concerned. There's so much building involved. So the height is 424. What's up with this? What if I just make this smaller? It doesn't turn on. It doesn't understand that it's overflowing. Wait, okay. So why isn't this changing to the size of these things? Why isn't content this square changing to the size of everything that's inside of it? Oh, wait, because I had... Wait, horizontal fit. Preferred. There we go. Unconstrained. Horizontal fit, min size. No, God, preferred. Just unconstrained. Okay, yeah. All right, this just needs to be... This just was wrong. Okay. Whoops. Whoopsies. This is unconstrained. Vertical is preferred. Got it. Just means I can have my drawing tablet on the desk at all times. That would be nice. For me to whip out my drawing tablet, it's very annoying. All right, so single bed. Single bed B. Give him bulk. We're making a hostel here. All right, this will overflow this window. And it's perfect. It's perfect. I love it. I love it. It's so perfect. Holy moly, I didn't realize it was 3 a.m. I'm going to head out and get some eep. Foil. Have a good night. Get some good eeps. Eep the night away. Eeping the night away. Unconstrained. 0. Okay, now it's going to work. So who raised their hand when I said, is it going to work on the 47th try? A couple of hands went up on the first try, so that was wrong. You do not win that prediction. Let's just make an arcade. All right, so whose game am I going to put on this arcade machine? Someone's game goes in here. How fun is that? There we go. Arcade cabinet. So now this is scroll. And so why can't I go over to it? I want to go to it. It's interactable. It's automatic. No, this should be explicit. I want to go to it, please. Please. Are these not smart buttons? Activities scroll view. Oh. Wrong thing. I made it the wrong thing. Whoops. That is a user error. It's this. So this is the activity types scroll view. And then this scroll view here needs to be activities scroll view. Okay. This might work. This might work. Yo, Augie. What is up? Also, Killica, good morning. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. How are you? How is Turtle? Is Turtle in the refrigerator yet? What was it? It was Hank, Monty, and what was the turtle's name? Tortoise. Sorry, Tortoise. I'll always say Turtle. Hank, Monty, and don't tell me, don't tell me. I forget George. There it is. He's not. Augie, you're sick. No. That sucks. I still can't go over to it. Oh, it's not on right selectable. It's not injecting it here. But oh, here it is. Activities scroll view. Oh, it's Oh, I think I'm looking for buttons only. I think I'm looking for buttons only. And that's the problem. How does that code work? Let me check it out. Smart button. 6, so I can't go to the gym. So I can't regulate loneliness. Can't punch the big sad. Just hang out here. You're never lonely on Twitch. Look, 30 friends just waiting to pat you on the back. So what this does is it looks through all the children and it gets the closest selectable. I think the problem is that this one technically is closer, but it's hidden. And they don't attach to each other. Okay, that's what's happening. This is a problem. Can I get rid of that without hiding it? Can I delete it? I don't know if I can delete it. Let's just delete it. And if I go to the scroll view, the horizontal scroll, did it just remake itself? Delete. Wait, no, that didn't just happen. Did I delete the wrong thing? I deleted something. Oh yeah, I deleted the wrong one. Okay. Phew. So if I delete this one, it says it's missing. Okay, I do not care. That should work. That should work. I should account for that. Why don't I just account for that? Say if dot active game object dot active self. Continue. So actually, let me bring it back. The problem is at night when it doesn't let me sleep. That's rough. Can I undo that? I can. All right, let's see if this works now. This is going to be fun. I'm going to make a couple of these arcade cabinets. And you're going to be able to collect them and make an arcade room. It's going to be fantastic. And you can play it. I still can't select it. Why? Why? Excuse me. Look at that. Wait a minute. So it's finding it. It's just not going to it. Why? Is it because I put the wrong... Oh, it's not an approved container. There we go. So now I can go over to it, but look at this selection, so stupid. It's like, what is it even selecting? It's selecting like this just nub. I don't know. Build the inn. Where'd my arcade cabinets go? Just blew them away. It was just like, get out of here. Blue Sky is such a blessing. Twitter is dead for small accounts. Yeah. It's hard. It took me a year of posting every single day to get any kind of traction. All right. So it works, but it's unclear because of the way selections function. Let me at least fix that. So this needs to be in the approved containers. And does this thing have... Oh, it has actually selection highlights. So highlight color can be like something just very different. Maybe that'll be okay. Oh, but the sliding area is the thing that... Oh, okay, it is referencing the handle. All right, so is that clearer? Got 2 views on Twitter, making progress. Yeah, if Twitter's not even like showing your posts, like if you're getting 0 views, then like it's not a platform anymore. It's not a viable platform. Okay, one thing I don't understand is it's not selecting this button when I first enter the menu. Same post on Blue Skies doing numbers. Nice. Yeah, I've lost all traction on Twitter. I took a break from Twitter for a bit. I'm by taking a break. When my dog died, I stopped posting on social media. And when I finally was like starting to post again, what I thought was like similar quality to my previous posts, I'm pretty sure they reward you for constant use. So when you don't use it for a bit, they kind of like we're gonna just knock back your engagement a bit. I mean, obviously this is all hearsay, and I'm just making this up, and it's just a feeling, but it's what it feels like. And then yeah, nothing ever did the same. None of my posts ever did the same. Uncle Elon wants you to pay. Yeah, he does. The problem is, actually, no, I don't know. Nothing I've done on Blue Sky has like blown up yet, like as big as anything I've done on Twitter. So we'll see. But it's been, consistent and steady. Steady. I made a joke on Blue Sky, and I don't know whether or not to correct with a comment or just let it go. I think I'm just going to let it go. I don't want to engage. All right. Okay, now this is done. This menu is done. I know what room it's in. I just don't know if it's private or not. Maybe I can say public and private. And that'll be clear. So instead of saying not in a room, I could just say public activity. There we go. There we go. Public activities. And then this will be private activities. Whoops. Private text. And that's only if pair rooms dot count is greater than 0. All right. It's getting more and more clear. I hope this menu makes sense. It's not that useful, but the information will be there when someone needs it. Oh, right. You're making Marion, this is you. You're making this this base builder game. That's right. Is that you? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. That one looks great. Yeah, everyone check out what Marion's doing. Is it Marion or Marion? Hamsters. That's I almost called them beavers. Everyone check out what Marion's doing. When excuse me, when people have their usernames different in different places of the internet, I always get confused. I'm totally guilty of that though, because I don't use Booyah Grandma on Blue Sky either. Yeah, this looks crazy. Miners will now dig the chambers, lay floors, and reinforce the walls. Ready for you to build new rooms. So cool. Our beds look very similar. That's so funny. That's pretty standard, like, cozy bed. I just have a yellow trim on my blanket. All right, what's next? What's next? Wow, okay. That was just one thing. New menu for displaying all activities and their types contained in the inn. Show what room it's in and if it's a private room. Boom. A boom. Add activity type icon to guest group description. Boom. Wait, did I do that? Add activity type icon to guest group. Did I do that? Guest group description. Guest group description. I don't remember. I'll check. Next year, I'll be working on more content like props, floor styles, wall styles. Nice. Making a trailer. Awesome. Well, excuse me, streamer. I'm doing good, Munez. How are you? How are you doing? The only person in the software dev category working on their professional game on stream. It is Friday. And if this were Clayman Dev stream, there'd be some guys singing, "It's Friday." I love that. I'm actually kind of annoyed. Last night, I remembered, oh, damn, there was an indie game dev meetup that I missed. And it was that night, and I looked at my clock, and I was like, maybe I can make it. No, they're probably gone by now. They don't go this late. And then the next morning, this morning, my wife's like, at least it's Friday. I'm like, what do you mean it's Friday? It's Thursday. And I was so convinced that it was Friday, and I missed the whole day. I would have missed that meetup anyway, because it was already a day over. Mard, you won. What'd you win? Mard, you are up. You are awake right now. Wait, why did this video stop playing? It didn't. Okay. This video's so weird. I don't even know where I got it. Group events. None of them are discovered. Yoga retreat. Group events. I did put it here. It's there. Add activity icon to guest group description. Boom, it's there. Add activity type icon to in management decoration info panel as well as in management room info. I did this one. In management room info. I don't think it needs that. I don't think it needs that. We're going to actually just ignore that. I got this whole other window for it. It doesn't need it. If character leaves mid-stay or never checks in, make sure to update the calendar event to indicate that. Okay, let's do that. I was just quoting Link. That's what he says after that. Can I get a kiss? Huh? I won. I don't remember that at all. I finally understand what Mard's been doing. Mard's been going from stream to stream, getting streamers hooked and addicted to his game, and then one day cut us off. And every day we're all craving it more and more. Mard, you're playing a dangerous game here. We're all game devs. We're just going to make the game ourselves. In anticipation. You got us all hooked. That's nefarious. That's against TOS. You can't get people hooked on stuff. My goal is to inflict pain and suffering. Oh my god. I want more. The initial hit was glorious. It's true. It's true. I want to reformat this. Should I add that to the in management? No. No, I don't need that in two places. Yeah, no, I think you got something special, Mard. Something real special. You know what I need to do? I need to write down a running list of all the kinds of icons that I need. And the ones I use. One day I'm just going to go crazy making icons. It's going to be fantastic. That's going to be in the content. Where's my UI section? Yeah. Icons. Item icons. Obviously. Activity type icons. Hotspot icons. Activity icons. I'm not really sure when release will be, but definitely getting there. Nice. You want my car or my house? I'll give it to you. Just play one more level. Not desperate. Should be done rating level difficulties tomorrow. Nice. How are you rating them? Don't you need me to help you rate them? Like, isn't it obvious? Anyway, I bought Bus Simulator 21 last week on stream or on Steam, and today it's free on Epic. That's amazing. Bus Simulator. That's why every time at the end of the stream or sometime in the middle of the stream, you go, I'm gonna go drive a bus. You know, it's funny because that was one of my favorite games on DOS. While all the kids were playing Oregon Trail, I was playing the truck driver sim. What was it called? I've talked about this on stream before. It was I keep wanting to say Cruise in USA. It was something else. 18 Wheels of Steel. No. We're talking like 3.5-inch floppy disk. No, 5-inch? The big floppy. The actual floppy disk. I always have to look it up every few months. A DOS truck driving game. Cross Country USA. Yup, that was the one. Cross Country Canada. Cross Country USA. On the Apple II. Was it this Apple II? This was my jam. This was not it. Yep. Oh my god, this menu. This Earth or this this United States map. Wow, look at this freaking tree. Look at these trees. You are very hungry. You crossed the state boundary into Idaho, the gem state. You are very hungry. You are a bit tired. Eat. Your meal arrives. Vinny's Diner. So good. So good. You pay $10 and then leave. Mmm. Turn on lights. This is so good. I want to make something like this. No, I don't. All right, it's time to forget that in a month. Put bits of it in Alpine Lake. Maybe that's what should go on the arcade cabinet screen. All right. What was the thing I was doing? What did I actually have to do? Instead of making more lists. Right, if a character leaves mid-stay or never checks in, I need to update the calendar event to indicate that. Okay. So how do I know? Well, I know when I call the despawn guest group system. No, it's in the in. Schedule system? No. Yeah, the schedule system. Guest group registration collection. Here we go. Despawns. Okay. So NPC despawned. This is how I know an NPC despawned. So this is where I have to throw some kind of calendar event that's like, get rid of me. Get rid of me. I hate my calendar. I hate my calendar. I hate my calendar. I want to rewrite my calendar. But here I am adding more to the calendar. Calendar event dot trigger. Register savable, register persistent. Overwrite. Red Cabin, what is up? How's it going? Shout out to Red Cabin. Yeah, I keep adding to the calendar, but I hate the calendar so much. Overwrite entry, I guess, and the event. Oh, God. Calendar event display? What does that even mean? I don't have a display. I guess I should make a new one and see if it like matches. Ah, funk. Funk and hay. New calendar event display. God, the NPC is the display type is guest stay. The start day is, I don't know. What is the start day? The start day is today. What if I don't give it a start day? I'll just find any calendar event that matches. No, that's not good. That's not good. Hmm. Ay. Is my calendar a singleton? Can I just like dig into it and change it? Let's see. I don't think it is. Oh, it is. Look at that. Should I just like find it and change it myself? That'd be ridiculous. But that's the thing. They're not directly connected to each other. Calendar events, like a thing on a calendar, has no connection to the NPC or whatever. Because, you know, if an NPC comes to the end twice, then they have two calendar events. So yeah, I'd have to know what the days are. I'd have to know which very specific event I'm overwriting. It's almost like I can give a calendar event an ID number when I create the calendar event. I track that ID number, and then when I overwrite it, I provide that ID number. I could do that. I don't like that. I don't like it. Yeah, I have to. I have to. So how do I figure out what the days are? This character is despawning, right? If this character despawns, well, actually, okay. There is something I could do. I can get the current. I can see if the current. Okay, this is crazy. This is Crazy Town, USA. Guest group system. It's gonna work, but it's like horrible. I get the sheet of this guest group, and I get its start day. Okay. All right. It's not that crazy. It's a little crazy, but I get the start day. Oh my God. And then I get the start day plus what? The stay length. That's the end day. And then what? Those are the only required things. Okay. The only thing that's a problem is this doesn't exist yet. Now it does. What are you gonna do about that, huh? Now that you exist. I'm losing my mind. I'm getting hungry. That's good. I don't want to get hungry at 10 p.m. again. That wasn't good. Okay. So when the NPC despawns, I say overwrite entry. Now, what does that mean? What I really want to do is check if they're despawning because they're leaving early or they're despawning because they're just leaving. So what I actually have to do is check that first. If time, I'll say int end day equals this. And then if time system dot current day is greater than end day. So if we, no. Yeah. So if it's the 4th, actually, I need to put this on this side or else I can't read it. If end day is less than time system get current day. Wait, that doesn't make sense to me either. If it's the 4th and we're leaving on the 4th, then don't do this, right? If it's the 3rd and we're leaving on the 4th. So it's the 3rd and we're leaving on the 4th, then do this. Why was that so hard to think about? So it's the 3rd. Today is the 3rd, but we're supposed to leave on the 4th. That means 3 is less than 4. If it's the 4th, don't do it. Okay. 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 Here we go. And I should also say and time system.instance.current day is greater than or equal to start day. Because if for some reason they're like leaving before they even show up the next time, I don't know. Let's just nip that one in the bud. All right, so now I need to listen for this thing in the calendar system. If e.event type equals overwrite entry. If it's overwrite entry, what does that mean? It's almost like I just want to change the string to left, like canceled. So what does this mean? What does this mean? Calendar gets updated. Calendar updated. Calendar events dynamic.add. Okay. So I need to search through, okay. Private void update calendar event. Calendar event display. Update calendar event. E.event display. So I need to for each calendar event display in displays dynamic if display dot MPC has MPC. What is this? Okay. Great. Oh, do I have an equals equals? Is equal to. Look at that. Check for null on the left. So I've done this before. When I want to check if two events are equal to each other, I check if the associated MPC is the same. I check if the start date is the same. I check if the end date is the same. And then I return true. Wow, I've already done this before. If display equals event display. I'm thinking January 1st would be a good day to start releasing puzzles. Marred. That's music to my ears. It's a nice even number. All right. The only thing that I don't know how to do is how to update it. So what if I just say display.associated NPC equals overwritten bad. Okay. I'll just do this for now, just to see if this is working. I honestly don't know what is going to happen. My game got approved for release today, but I still have no idea about the release date. Too much. Congrats on that. Drop the link. Drop that link. Zelt Dev, welcome in. Yeah, it's C#. I'm in Unity. What does it mean to be approved for release? Well, if it's a Steam app, you have to submit your app for them to approve before you can release. You can't just release anything. Please share the link to your game. We want to see. We want to wishlist it. I released an app on Google Play, then deleted it because it doxes me. They just reveal your name and email address. Or email and address. Wait. Well, because you're a company. They need to know how to contact you. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm well doxed. You should spin up a corporation, Zelt. Then they can't find you. What is this nonsense? You release a product, you've got legal accountability. Exactly, yeah. I have a company for game stuff. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Creeping through your window tonight. All right, so what I need to do is I need to unlock a guest group. I need to get them to show up. I need to fast forward to that day. I need to build it in, and I need a couple of them to stay and a couple of them to leave. This will only take 5 minutes to test. This is the hardest thing about making a life sim. It's just freaking impossible to test quickly. Yoga, retreat, discover. Thanks for introducing me. Guest events, yoga retreat. They're showing up. Boom, boom, baum, boom. Okay. Now I need an in. Now I need an in. Ba-dum. Now we need to get to the 6th. At least I have this wonderful fast forward button. All right, it's the 6th. And here they come. I got to open the in. Whoops. Let's open the in. And here they come. Here they come. There they are. Hollis. What up, Hollis? I love yoga. Got a room for 2? Yeah. Good morning, Mary. I'm Mary. Yoga is the only way I can find peace. Got a room for 2 nights? Yeah. Meadow. My name's Meadow. Nice to meet you. Yoga is the only way I can find peace. Well, you're going to have to find somewhere else because I need to test the feature and you're the test subject. So by now she should have despawned. Oh, that's no good. D's no good. That's no good. Where am I even looking? The calendar. Did she not despawn yet? Oh, God. What is happening? What is happening? Basic birch. What's wrong? She doesn't even exist. She's not even spawned. It keeps trying to spawn her? Birch. Here she is. Core scene. Oh. That was weird. Why am I stuck here? What is she doing? She's lost. I must have broke the navigation. But why am I stuck right here? Look at that. I'm just stuck. What is here? There's like a nav mesh thing. There's a hole in the nav mesh right here. Why? That's bizarre. What is this hole? Yeah, it's a total hole. How did you decide on Mossy Grove for the name? I just really like mossy groves. I think they're cool. I was just trying to think of something nature related, something cozy, and something not taken. Fortunately, in New Zealand, it's insanely easy to form a company. It takes like 20 minutes, one of the easiest in the world. Tax havens, huh? Don't you have the ability to speed up the game? I do. I do. It was pretty quick. It was pretty quick. Excuse me. Similar in Canada too, if we're not talking incorporation. I think we are, though. Nope, a limited liability company with directors and shareholders and the rest. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah. That's crazy. 20 minutes. In Turkey, it's easy to form, hard to dissolve. Well, you could just ignore it. I'm currently working on some nice software in Python. Tell us about it. Takes like 6 months to dissolve. That's a long time, actually. I did try incorporating, but then the post-incorporation steps were too scary, so I dissolved. I am currently dealing with really obnoxious incorporation stuff, and I hate it. I hate it. Keeping a business like it's properly functioning, like, I don't know, filling out all the forms you need and being compliant in your state. Oh my God, it's so annoying. Ugh, I just bit my tooth. How do you bite a tooth, you ask? That was painful. They can dissolve you voluntarily overnight, or they can involuntarily dissolve you in the space of a month. Easy to get. Takes a modicum of paperwork to keep. Yeah, the keeping part is annoying. What I like about Unity is that the engine does not crash when there is a null reference. That is nice. All right, let me fix this. So she's trying to go to -9, -3. I think she's at -9, -3. That's what this is. Is there a hole here too? No, she's there. -9, -3. It's literally where she is. Bad destination. -9, -3. Whoa. That's not good. What's going on here? Also, this is facing the wrong way. All right. Let's just move this over. And I'm going to remake the nav mesh. What's up with this hole, though? So weird. Why? Oh, wait. So this is the squiggly one? Is that also the squiggly one? It is. There's no hole on this one, though. All right. So this squiggly guy, not working out. These aren't holes. These are just underneath the geo. Walkable path. I need to show where's that where are the render layers? I always forget. Here. No. Here. Show no primary visibility. Okay. If I do this, is this going to be weird? What happens if I run that? Bake. I mean, it's different. This still has issues. This one's so upset. I wonder if it's because the NPCs are there. The NPCs aren't there, though. I never realized how much trouble this thing will cause me. Let me go back into it and what do I need to do here? What is the issue? Maybe I'll just make a more detailed piece. Let's make this 2, 2, 2. And what I'll do is I'll make a bunch of them. How about this? You still upset? Bake. All right, it's not making a good nav mesh, but it is not making a hole anymore. Like, this is horrible. What if I just change the voxel size to 0.7? That looks better. What if I change the voxel size and the tile size to 12? Override tile size 16. Why can't I change this? 32? It looks like 16 is as low as I can go. 6. When you reduce the voxel size, both the accuracy and the bake duration increase. Okay. That looks pretty accurate. That looks horrible. What is going on here? This is a nightmare. All right, let's just, I don't know. That was crazy. I'm messing a bit with Llama. So I wanted to see how smart AI is in actually solving CAPTCHAs. But it just cannot do it. I used the biggest image model and it's still got it with such low accuracy. That's interesting. There's someone in the bed. Why is there someone in the bed? Oh. Because they're checked in and I skipped a day. And the calendar does not represent that at all. If I fast forward, Birch isn't complaining. And this hole isn't here anymore. So I can run. Yeah, this hole's not here. I don't know. It seems okay now. Bricks look nice. You like them? Nice. So I have issues. The reason why the wood looked normal to me and okay is because a wood cabin has wood on the outside and the inside. But now, when I want to make other materials, having brick on the... I mean, brick on the inside is not totally unusual, but I need inside wall texture and outside wall texture. So there's a massive refactor in my history, or in my future, and I'm not looking forward to it. Now I need walls to have two... Right now they have, you know, an east wall. Like, each one of these little gizmos is a wall, right? And it checks if there's a connection to the east, it makes a wall. If there's a connection to the north, it makes a wall. That's how simple they are. But now I need a way to decorate and lay down walls where each face is different. I want you to be able to have like a green room. I don't want you to have to, I don't want everything to have to be brick. So it's almost like I need a wall painting system where you build brick, right? You build the base material, and then I can, you know, maybe I can select this wall, right? And it just travels until it reaches a wall without any connections, and it just keeps traveling, right? And all of these get updated. I don't know. I have in my head like how I would do it, but man, I'm not looking forward to that. 3D fill tool, yeah. Like I have a flood fill algorithm that I use that it's similar. I just need to like recursively get connections, right? On the inside. So I just keep checking, like if we're going north and we're checking the east side of the wall, check counterclockwise for connections. Okay, here's one. And then now we're changing south side walls, check counterclockwise. Okay, here's one. And as long as we don't come back to ourself, right? If we keep going counterclockwise and we make it back to ourself, that's, you know, that means that wall's broken. So don't continue anymore. And then you just update them all to that type. But like, I mean, it's fun. Like it could be fun to make. It'll definitely make the inns look better if I can decorate the insides of the walls. Because right now, it's ugly. You know, it looks like a prison. If I put a roof on it, it looks better. But once you see the brick on the inside, it's like gross. I'll get there eventually. I think that's kind of what I'm waiting for the trailer. Like, I want your inns to look good. And right now, the inns, they don't look great. I can put my fanciest decorations in them, and they're not like eye pleasing. They're not eye candy. That's the word. Eye pleasing. Yeah, you need wallpapers, exactly. I need to be able to paint the walls. I need wallpaper. I need wainscoting. Okay. So I need to do all that over again. I need to do all of that over again. And I need to put some... Oh, wait, it's... All right. I'm going to give myself a little bit more time, but I do want to end at a normal time and eat dinner. So I delete the save file. Oh, I need to add some like print checking for whatever. Print changing or found a match. Match. Print display dot associated NPC. Let's do it. What if, hear me out, you added porcupines to every... Marred. You eventually changed that, right? Didn't you change your idea to something else? And I didn't even add that yet. I forget. Oh, right. We changed it to the grass rug. Okay. I was just about to say, I'll add your decoration when you release your game. And it turns out it's already added. Yeah, I remember the grass rug. Grass rug looks good. It's a silly idea, but it just looks like a green shag carpet. Okay. Porcupine. No, you did this already. Veto. You get 3 more chances. Yoga retreat. Discover. Build in. I didn't buy a porcupine, did I? Porcupine. Nah. I have farm animals. I don't have Actually, give me a sec. Maybe I do have something that I can turn into a porcupine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so impatient. Yeah. Bink. 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 They're arriving in one day. It's taking them so long. Bink. All right, here they come. They've arrived. All right, here we go. So I'm going to check This time I'll be mean to Mary. Meadow, you can... All right, can't... That's false error. False error. I'm just joking. Don't worry about it. No, you redeemed it. You got to choose something. You got to make something. Or choose a decoration that I'll actually make right now. Checking for whatever. Bam, look at that. Didn't find a match. Did not find a match. So why? Why didn't you find a match? Let's stop the game. I guess my days are off. Johnny Ree, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. For every new follow, the elevation of Alpine Lake goes up. Oh, we lost the follow, so net even. Or it didn't update yet. I don't know. Yeah, we lost one. It's okay. What's going on here? So this isn't a match. Print event display dot start day or event 2 incoming overwrite this. Day. Okay. Here, so we don't have to look at the ugly interior walls. That looks better. So I spent like 2 streams making roof trim, and then 3 streams later, I'm like, you know what? I hate the trim. It overlaps with the neighboring roofs, and I don't like it. What I ended up doing is making the trim really, really skinny, and now I'm okay with it. Would a yellow hooded raincoat clothing option be a decoration? No. What? What happened? What happened? WRHC, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. What happened? Key not found. Try spawning. 4 NPC in... Oh, this queue is empty. This queue is empty, huh? Interesting. Why? Is it because it's the day that they're supposed to spawn? I need to test that. This is more important than overriding this calendar event. If I save the game on the day they're supposed to spawn and then I reload the day, Spawn queue doesn't load. Mard, choose a piece of furniture, please. Furniture. I already made that. Everyone wants that. It already is in the game. That's so funny. Yeah. Look, trophy bass. Trophy fish. Look, every room gets one now. It's even got a big red button. So here, they're in the spawn group, right? So we'll fast forward. Arriving in one day. Let's just. What does the calendar say? Calendar says they're showing up tomorrow. Okay. So they're spawning, right? Okay, cool. Turn the game off. Game is off. Come back. They don't get added to the spawn queue. Why? On load, I find all the spawn queues and I fill them. But a serialized guest group spawn queue. Why is this not saving? Is dirty. Is dirty. Return guest group to main queue and clear. Is dirty equals true. Move NPC to guest group queue. Is dirty equals true. Oh. I never dirtied it. I never dirtied it. A candle snuffer? Wait, isn't that the thing that puts candles out? It's not really a decoration. But they're kind of cool looking. Nah. I don't know what I'd do with this. What would you do with it? Put it on a table? Nah, think of something else. Your answers are getting better though. Like that's an improvement to porcupine and yellow coat. Did the wish list update yet? It's been 2 days. I need this. They didn't update yet. This is crazy. Why aren't they updating? Also, did everyone play Code Rad's game? Rogue Blight? The demo just dropped. It's really good. I played it. It's pretty satisfying. I might take a break and play it. Where's my no primary? Okay, there we go. All right, let's restart the game. Let's try that again. It's very strange that that wasn't saving. Because I'm pretty sure I've tested it. I'm like positive I tested it. I don't understand. All right, yoga retreat. Discover. Event. Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right. The Price is Right. Oh, what have I done? Oh God, what have I done? Wait, I accidentally changed this and it did not like that. This needs to be a vector 3 int. Vector 2 int. Yo, Qmezu! Raid! Welcome in, Raiders! How was your stream? You're ending early. You welcome. Welcome in. Simbi, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Short indeed. How did it go? What'd you get up to? Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's an innkeeper life sim game. Everyone make sure to follow Qmezu. Working on a pretty... It looks cute. I actually don't know what the game is yet. I just know you're working on really adorable artwork. You just made a character that looks great. And the environments look great. Everything's looking really good. Edited some animations today. Nice. Feeling under the weather, so I closed the stream early. Oh no. Sorry you're not feeling so well. Everyone make sure to give Qmezu a follow also, please. Oh wait, and I just got to follow. All new follows here increase the elevation of the main town in Alpine Lake. It's getting up there. It's a high altitude town. You caught me working on really annoying features. I can't even explain it right now. It's just so annoying. But yeah, I'm sorry you're not feeling so well. If anyone's interested, this is the game. Steam page. You can check out the trailer there. There's a demo. You can wishlist it. Wishlists are always much appreciated. All right, so I'll just talk through it while I'm debugging. There are group events you can throw, and these group events mean a bunch of NPCs all show up to your inn at the same time. And right now, the spawn queue that holds those NPCs until they spawn is not saving. When I close the game, it refreshes it, and it's not good. So yoga retreat. Let's say I discovered this group event called a yoga retreat. I discover it. I talk to Stella. I go to guest group events. She's the one who lets me throw these events. I say, yeah, let's throw a yoga retreat event. It populates your calendar with 3 guests that are going to show up. This is right here. This is the group of the 3 guests that are going to show up. They're in the queue. I build an inn. Boom. I open the inn. Boom. And then I need to wait 4 days until they show up. So I fast forward. We fast forward. Saving. Okay. So the game has saved, right? If I close the game and I reopen the game, all I want to see is that queue. I want to see that queue filled with NPCs. That's it. That's all I want to see. It's taking forever. Oh, look at that. Boom. It worked. Okay. But that's not the true test case. The true test case is going all the way to the day that they're supposed to arrive, which is 2 days. Okay. Skip another day. They're arriving in 1 day. And then boom, they're going to arrive tomorrow. Here they come. Here they come. If I close here and I come back, I hope it's still there. If it's not there, then I got a problem. Okay, cool. All right, we fixed it. It fixed. All right, so now onto the other bug I was trying to fix. So these 3 guests, they're all here for the yoga retreat, right? If I check one in and I let the others leave, well, I'll check 2 in and let 1 leave, right? Okay, so I'm going to let her leave. She's going to despawn and it should throw an event saying, look at that, incoming overwrite event. 4 to 6, day 4 to 6. What day is it today? Today is day 5 to day 7. It's 1 day off. We're 1 day off. That's all errors. The 3 errors in programming is null reference exception and off by 1 errors, always. The big 3. So the guest group, it's the inn that throws that event. Okay. So it was just off by 1. Start day plus 1. End day plus 1. Okay. Okay. I feel good about this now. Oh my god, this takes forever now. All right, so the spawn queue saved. They show up. I'm just going to let them all leave. Go, go, go. Get out of here. Scram. They're not despawning. Why are they? Now they're not even despawning. Right? Yeah, it definitely didn't do anything. What did I do? What have I done? This is an integer, right? Calendar event. Event display. These are integers, yeah. Why would it? So who throws you? Who throws you? When an NPC despawns, I check to see if there's a group schedule collection. And if there is, I despawn them. Oh, okay. This does not get created unless I check in at least one guest. Okay. Oh my God, I gotta write that down. Group schedule collection does not get created unless at least one NPC gets checked in. So when NPC despawns, the calendar event can't be thrown. Pain in the butt. So I guess I got to make that no matter what. Everyone's so quiet today. Usually you're just trolling me up and down. It's Friday. Everyone's tired. We're afraid of you? What's the matter? I'm in a good mood today. Beanbag chair? Beanbag chair! Oh my God, Mard. You came up with something that I'll actually put in the game. Jack decorations. Beanbag chair. Mr. Murd. Good job. Romanceable porcupine. No. No. Bad Finn. Be afraid. Be afraid. What was I checking? Oh, right. Let's check in one guest at least, just to make the thing. Okay. So I check you in. I let everyone else leave. And boom. Boom, boom. Incoming. No. Wait, that didn't work either. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. All right. I'm too hungry. I'm too hungry. We're done here. We're done here. I gotta go eat dinner. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Where should we go? Oh, ad break? Are you kidding? All right. Well, I guess I'll find a raid target while there's ads going. I know where we're going. Booyah loves his ads. I mean, yeah. I get like $2 a day. $2 a stream from ad revenue. Are you kidding me? Without that $2, I don't know what I'd do. Oh, wow. Wait, last Friday? Last Friday I made $5.72 from ads. What happened last Friday? Oh, it was a big raid day. We got some big raids last Friday. Yeah. Yesterday was kind of big. But yesterday's ad revenue didn't calculate yet. 24-hour Booyah stream when? Maybe when I release the game. Maybe. We'll do a 24-hour celebration stream. Maybe. That's all? Stream longer? No. Can't. I'm too tired. Too tired. All right, the ad break's over. Welcome back from ads. Gonna go. We're gonna raid out. Today was a good day though. Today I got some stuff done. And I don't know. Things are coming together. Slowly but surely. So let's do some credits. Thanks all for hanging out today. Roll it. New followers, you welcome. WRHC, Johnny Ree, WireX, Pangara Plays, MK Manish, and Mr. Hermit. Val, thank you for that 7 months. Finn, thank you for modding. And Qmezu with the raid. Really appreciate it. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. If you're just waking up, enjoy your Friday. If you're going to bed, have a great night. I'm going to go get some dinner. We're going to raid Sky Gray. Sky Gray is a wonderful dev streamer in Godot. I've met him in person. He's very nice. Trust me. Let's all show Sky Gray some love and show up strong. All right, everyone. Hope you have a great time. Have a great weekend. That's right. It's Friday. Have a great weekend. I'll be back on Monday. WRHC. Amazing. Thanks for hanging. You welcome. Those are great emotes. All right, later, y'all. Oh, wait. Oh, I shouted him out. I didn't. Well, now he knows we're coming. I hate accidentally doing that. Now we have to wait 8 seconds? Oh, God. This is a disaster. This whole stream is a disaster now. All right. Peace, y'all.